Hey Glam Fam, so today I'm super excited. I'm going to be showing you guys a skincare line and I'm going to be using it and I'm going to be reviewing it. I am so excited. So kmall24 got a hold of me and we have decided to collaborate on one of their products on their website. If you don't know anything about kmall, kmall24 is a Korea-based website that has so many Korean products and it's so amazing. We have decided to collaborate with one of their K-boxes, and so in a K-box it comes with specific skincare items, and this box in particular is called the Purelim K-box. It's called the Purest Box by Purelim, and it is valued at $80 but is on sale right now on their website for $29.99. So let's get into this review and demo. Let me show you the box that it comes in. This is the box that it comes in. It's very sleek and I really like their packaging. When you open the box up, you get this cute little tote bag. But I do believe this is only for the first 30 customers or something like that. But I really, really like this. It's very, very cute and very roomy. It's pretty big. The first product that you get is this Purelim Secret Moisture pH Foam Cleanser. The packaging is super cute, guys. Look at that. So this is the packaging. It's very sleek and I love how it's just white with a black base. The second product that you get is the Purelim Water Full Calming pH Toner. Ooh, this is super nice, guys. This is the Water Full Calming pH Toner. The next product is the Purelim Miracle 48 Water Wrap Mask, and this is what the package looks like. This is what they look like for packaging. The next product is the Purelim Water Shield Cream. That looks like so. I also received this free gift. I'm not sure if they are still doing this or not, but this is the Smart Ring. So this you put on the back of your phone. Actually really excited about this, to put this on my phone. My fiance is kind of jealous because he really likes the design of this. So I wish I could go back on their website and order another one, but I don't know if you can. Now for the daylight cushion. When you take it out of its box, this is what it looks like. It's very sleek, all black. I really love it. And then when you open it up, it looks like this. And then this itself opens up as well. And then there is your cushion foundation. This is your little sponge. And so we have to pull this little tab right here. So we're gonna pull this off. Just like so. So now we have our sponge, and I am just going to do a little application to my face. This is in the color 22.5. Ooh. Right away, this sponge is very nice. Actually, this is working really well. I'd say that's a pretty good coverage. It's very dewy right now, so we'll see how it dries down. I really like how the top is black so it doesn't look as dirty. And I'm just gonna do eyebrows and lashes. That's what I would do on a no makeup day. And I will go about my day and see how this works. Okay guys, so I've wore this for the majority of my day, and I have to say, for a cushion foundation, I really like how this wore. If you take out the rubbing marks on my nose from my glasses, and then just a little bit of creasing underneath the eye here, I'd say this wore pretty well. If you have very oily skin, I would definitely say you will have to powder this or set it of some sort. I didn't set mine except for on my eyelids because my eyelids get oily, and a tiny bit underneath my eyes, and that was it. And I will tell you that it did take a while for it to dry down where I didn't feel like it was gonna rub off on something, but after it did, it's totally fine. And I'm gonna have to say that I really like this for like everyday wear. Especially if I'm not doing a full face of makeup. I'm gonna continue using these products and keep you guys updated. Freshly out of the shower. This is way more product on a sheet mask than I have ever gotten, which is a really good thing. This is really nice, guys. You know, sometimes you get like sheet masks and they barely have any moisture to them. This is literally like the complete opposite. This has so much of the mask on it, which is so nice. So I'm not kidding when I tell you that there's this much product left in here, and I didn't even squeeze the bottom. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get my fiance to do this. Go cleanse your face. I love you. Okay, so he cleansed his face with the cleanser and put the toner on, and now we're just gonna take the excess serum and put that on his face.
Well, you said pat.
I know, but patting at the end, focusing on at the end.
Pain is beauty.
You mean beauty is pain?
Yeah.
It has been 20 minutes. Just going to take this off. That feels really nice. Then I'm just going to take what's left out of this. Look at that, guys. I mean, this is even after I put all that product on Andrew. Well, Andrew put all that product on himself. So we're just going to take this and put it onto our face and just pat it in. Alright, I'm just gonna let this soak in, and then I'm done for the night. Final thoughts on Kmall and Purelim. I am a really big fan of their chin foundation. I think it's really good for everyday wear. As long as you don't have super oily skin, I think it would be really good for dry skin because it is way more moisturizing than a regular foundation. Moving on to the cleanser, I really enjoy the cleanser, guys. It's a little bit different than my everyday cleanser that I'm used to. It foams up so much more, and I really think that makes me, maybe it's like psychological, but it makes me feel like my face is really clean. And also, the toner is very different than any toner that I've ever tried. It's thicker than any toners that I've ever tried, which you may think that would be a bad thing, but I actually really like it. The Water Shield cream, or their moisturizer / cream, is also really good. I wish it was a little bit thicker, but for an everyday moisturizer, maybe someone doesn't want a super thick cream. And then the mask is really nice, guys. Even Andrew liked it. I felt that you got so much of the serum in the package for your money. You could almost apply a whole nother layer after you take your mask off and let it soak into your skin, which I love. And it made my skin look very, very, what's the word, uniform, if that makes sense. It helped my redness on my cheeks go down a little bit, and it helped moisturize my face so much. And that is a big thing for me because I'm doing full faces of makeup and then, you know, scrubbing them off just to film another video, and moisture is very, very important in my life. Normally this box is $80, but actually on sale right now for $29.99, so you guys are saving a lot of money. I did use this for a couple weeks, so I'm gonna imagine that if I keep using it, it's gonna get even better. And you know, I really like it. If you guys would like to check out Kmall's Purelim K-Box, I will leave the link down below so you guys can check it out. That is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and a thumbs up. I mean, they're the same thing, but a like or a thumbs up, whatever you want to call it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put new videos out every single week, and Glamoween is coming. We're gonna start a little early this year so we can get more Halloween tutorials out before Halloween, and I'm super excited about that. I've already pre-filmed a couple videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.